Hello, fellow master gardeners. Here we are out in El Cerrito at the demonstration garden, getting ready to install our sub-irrigation systems. Check out the next copy of the latest dirt because there will be a schematic here showing what we're doing and a little description. But for today, what we wanted to do is just show you what we're going to be doing with these plastic bottles that hopefully you're collecting. The type of plastic bottle that works best for this is the really flimsy bottles that usually drinking water comes in. Anything that's peat plastic is okay. It won't leach in the bed. But these thicker ones, even though it's peat, it's really hard to twist. We need to be able to twist it, deform it like this, and then we're going to use these paper cutters to cut them into chunks, like 2 to 4 inch chunks. And then, once we have the little chunky pieces, they end up going into a netting similar to this. So this is filled with the pieces of the water bottles. This is just a little sample. What goes in the planter box will be down here, and it becomes a reservoir for the water. The planter boxes that we have here are 8 feet long, so we're going to make these in 8-foot versions, 1 foot around, so we need a lot of plastic bottles.
And here's Norm doing a demonstration on how to make the Plavel pieces using a paper cutter.
And it's good to keep your fingers away from the edge.
I heard that.